Today we've got something truly special on the desk. This is the brand new Nubia Z80 Ultra, and I am beyond excited to get this unboxed with you. Let's dive right in. First impressions of the box, it's that classic, minimalist Nubia style we've come to know and expect. Clean, simple, and straight to the point. The version I managed to get my hands on is this gorgeous, condensed light white, but for those who prefer a different vibe. It also comes in a starry sky edition and a classic black. Alright, let's get this open and see the main event. And there it is. Wow. Just ... Wow. The phone itself is absolutely stunning. This white is not just white, it's a bright, clean, pure white that feels incredibly classy. The matte finish is so smooth to the touch and gives it a really modern, premium look. You can't miss that massive Nubia logo on the back, making a bold statement. The design feels like a significant step up from the previous generation. Let's take a closer look at this camera module. We have a triple lens setup, and that middle sensor is actually a laser sensor for focusing, which is a neat touch. When I hold it, I can immediately feel the refinement compared to the Z70 Ultra. The edges are smoother. The overall construction feels tighter and more integrated, and even the small details, like the color-matched antenna lines, show how much thought went into this design. It just melts into the white finish. On the side, we've got Nubia's signature sliding button for quick access to custom functions. And next to it, a dedicated camera key, a feature I always appreciate as a photographer. The in-hand feel is just fantastic. Solid, well-balanced, and feels every bit the premium flagship it is. It's got that satisfying heft without being too heavy. Let's see what else is in the box. As expected, we get a charger to power this thing up, a nice matte semi-hard case to keep it protected right out of the box, and all the usual paperwork. It's a pretty standard but complete package. Now, for a quick comparison, here it is next to the Z60 Ultra Leading Edition. You can see the design evolution clearly. The Z80 Ultra just looks and feels sleeker, more elegant. It's a subtle but noticeable refinement that elevates the entire device. Alright, the moment of truth. Let's power it on and see that screen come to life. And there we go, that beautiful, uninterrupted display. I have to say, Nubia has absolutely nailed it with this one. I'm going to spend the next few days putting this through its paces for the full review. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. What are your first impressions of the Nubia Z80 Ultra? Let me know down in the comments.